Hi there, guys. I'm coming to you with a video that I've been wanting to do for a while. And so I'm going to do this one today. I want to do a video showing all of my nail drills that I have. And even though I got some of these nail drills from eBay and some came from AliExpress, they are still very powerful nail drills. And I have had the other nail drills. I've had, plenty of other nail drills, but I got rid of all of those because I couldn't find some of the pieces to go to them and some of the plugs and stuff like that. So all of those are gone. Now all I have are these nail drills that are all high quality nail drills. Okay, let's get started. Start with this one. You've seen this one. I've got the video of when I first got this one in. This one has an EU plug. I got it from AliExpress. You can still find them on AliExpress. This happened when I dropped acetone on it, and it didn't mess it up at all. It just messed up the finish on it. But this one, it's a nice drill. It's a real nice drill, high end, and it still works great. I'm the kind of person that I like to collect things, especially nail things and anything that I do. I like to collect a lot of stuff. I'm not a person that will be sitting around with just one nail drill, even though I only do my nails, and the nails on my flexi hand have a lot of everything. I have a lot of acrylic brushes, gel brushes. I have a lot of nail tips. I just have a lot of everything. That's just me. That's just my quirkiness. But this one, if any of these drills you want me to leave a link in, just let me know which one it is you want. This one, you just say the red one. Okay, that one, and it's like I said, it still works very well. Okay, next is this one. I showed this one recently, and I retired this one right now for the new one excuse me, that I got. This one works okay. I mean, it works good. The only thing is that, like I said, with this handpiece, for some reason this handpiece will not work in this machine. I don't know if you can see it, but it's a Marathon, and that's it right there. And it really is a very high end, and it's a very expensive handpiece, but it will not work. That's the only one I have that will not work in this machine. So I kind of disappointed in that, because every time I tried to use it in that machine, it would just stop to go with these. I have two of these, as you can see. I got these from eBay. Well, the other two that I showed you came from AliExpress. The red one and the other one that I just showed you came from AliExpress. These two I got from eBay. And I have this little cup on there. I glued that on there. It did not come with the machine. These are the Micromotor Marathon machines. These are also very high-powered machines. You do not find these where you find nail drills on eBay. You find these under the dental section. You have to put in Micromotor Marathon nail drills or drills, and these will come up. And so, yes, I do have two of these, and I mean, they still work. Every one of my nail drills still works very well. I just, I can only use one at a time. Right. Now, I want to go to my wonderful. This is one of my favorite hand nail drills. It's the Mani Pro Passport Phantom. I am crazy about this nail drill. And I also have the control box for the white one. I ordered the white one first, and then I was able to order the control box. But when I first ordered one, they didn't have the Phantom in stock, and I'm kind of an impatient person, so I just wanted to get which one I could get the quickest. So I ordered the white one, and I got that one. And then when I had enough money, I ordered just the control box for the Phantom. And so this is, you know, the little Manny Pro Passport handpiece. It's the K55. Is it K or KP55? I think it's KP55. And as you know, this is my latest one. Is this one right here. These two, I got this one from AliExpress. This one came from AliExpress. These two have the exact same foot pedal. This kind of foot pedal. Both of these have the exact same kind of foot pedal, which is this kind, which is a speed control foot pedal, which is very different from the regular foot pedals that you get with most. And this one, I can use this handpiece in this nail drill. So that's why I retired this one in order to go ahead and use the new one that I got. And so I am very happy with this nail drill. Drills. If you really are not used to using a drill, I would not advise you to start with one of these, because these are some, especially even these micro motor drills that I have. If you go back, I did a video on these. I've only been able to turn that drill up this high to use the speed on it, because this is a very powerful drill. That's as far as I've been able to turn it up to use it. I've never had it up here or any further. This is as far as, right here, as far as I've ever had that. And I mean, it moves product. It does not stall. None of these drills stall when you use them. That's what I look for in a drill. And make sure that when you apply pressure to the acrylic, that it does not stop in the middle of working. None of these drills that I've shown you. Now I want to show you my new array of hand pieces. This is the first one that I've already shown you. This one, and I ordered. All right, I have these two. This one came with the gold nail drill, and I ordered this one by itself. Now, I do have another one like this coming in. It's all silver, though. I've ordered that just last week, and it should be here within the next week or so. These out. As you can see, I have all of these. These are all Marathon hand pieces. These are all micromotor hand pieces. And all of them work very well. They all work in this nail drill also. So these are all of the hand pieces. Cooper has its own, you know, thing, and all of these hand pieces work in every last one of my drills except for the Cooper. You know, Cooper does their own thing, because the Cooper hand pieces are, let me show you, they have the 3 prongs, and all of these hand pieces are like that. That's the difference. They will not, a Cooper hand piece will not fit in another nailed drill, and another hand piece will not fit in the Cooper unless it has those 3 prongs to it. So that's really nice. But right now, these are all my hand pieces. And like I said, I ordered the other one like this one, but it's all silver. The whole thing is completely silver. And I'll probably try to put in a picture of that one. I'll include a picture in the, I'll flash a picture of it in the video. But I just wanted to show you what I have. Nail drills. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I want to say that I have a lot of other stuff coming in, and I'm going to do a haul than it does from Amazon. So I hope you guys really enjoyed this video, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and share, and tell other people about my channel, and let's help each other out, guys. I'm always subscribing to new nail channels. When I see nail channels come up, and I'll just put in a little comment that says new subby here, and let us all support each other for all of us. Okay, guys, much love to you guys, and I hope you're having a wonderful, blessed day, and you'll see me in my next video. All right, bye-bye.